Hello guys and welcome to the 5th episode of the Sketchup plugin reviews. In today's video, I'll introduce you to yet another 3 completely free of charge plugins for Sketchup. So let's get right into it. First extension, Solar North by the Sketchup team. This plugin provides tools for you to set and display the solar north angle that Sketchup uses to calculate the sun location and therefore shadow directions. With this plugin, you get a toolbar with these 3 buttons. First one is the toggle that, when enabled, shows the north direction. The second one is the one that allows you to set the north in whichever direction you want. And with this third one, you can even type the exact north angle in degrees. Why is this useful, you may ask yourselves? Well, sometimes you model something and you may have already set a bunch of different scenes that you'd like to render, but then you realize that the face you'd like to show is in the shadows, whatever you choose to do with the shadow settings. And here is where the Solar North solves the problem for you as easily as this. Second extension, Shape Bender by Chris Fulmer. Shape Bender will allow you to bend the component or group along a curve or a path. You only need 3 things to make it work: a component or group, a baseline, and a target line or path. You activate the plugin by going to the extensions menu, Chris Fulmer Tools, Shape Bender. Then you select the baseline and then your target path. You'll see an outline of what your object is going to look like. You can exchange the start with the endpoint by pressing the up arrow key on the keyboard. Press enter to generate the object, and that is it. You'll notice that in a case where the baseline is not the same length as your target path, the plugin will scale the shape automatically. The only thing you'll need to remember for this plugin to work the way it's supposed to is that your baseline needs to be parallel to the red axis. Other than that, this plugin is very simple to use, but it can be extremely powerful, as you can see. Third extension, Scale by Tools. This extension contains a set of tools to scale, move, or rotate multiple objects or vertices based on an image or a math formula. Let's go quickly by them one by one. The first one lets you select a bunch of components or groups and transform them by choosing an image. In the dialog box, you can choose whatever kind of transformation you want. You can choose between scaling, rotating, or moving your object on whichever axis you want. Here you can set the image orientation. The ground plane is the red-green XY axis. And here you can select the multiplier. Next, you go to choose your image. Let's choose this one. And this is the final result. Let's see what's going on here. So, the white part of the image has been 100% transformed. Remember our multiplier? So this object has been tripled in size. The black parts will scale to 0, so they disappeared. Every shade in between was transformed regarded on how they stand on the grayscale scale. So dark gray was less affected by the transformation than light gray. Well, you get the picture. All the other tools follow the same principles. These two don't use an image as a reference, but a mathematical equation. Either way, as I said, the principles are all the same, you just need to know math. The next one, this one here, works its magic on faces instead of components. As it push-pulls them, the amount you get to choose right here. Same principles, white parts affected more than the dark ones. And lastly, this one transforms single vertices with the same principle as all the others, based on the grayscale value of the pixels of the reference image. So that's all the time we have for this 5th episode of the series. You can find the link to the other episodes in the description. Go watch the first one if you don't know how to install these plugins into SketchUp. Let me know in the comments if there is a plugin you'd like for me to check out. Please don't forget to hit like, and if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button before you go. If you do, you'll live a long, happy life. I personally guarantee it. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!